What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Follow me on both of my social media networks, both Instagram and Snapchat, to keep up on what's going on with the RS behind the scenes. And of course, guys, today we are going to a little bit of a meet. I'm trying to get as many STs and RSs together and really just get to know one and another. It should be a good time. We're going to a local meet that's pretty much there every weekend, so hoping for a good time, hoping for a good turnout. Usually it's a pretty good turnout every week. Now with school back, everybody's back in town. It should be a good turnout overall. But before we do that, we are trying to make it up the mountain in time to get pictures before the sun goes completely down. I think we're gonna fail. I don't think we're gonna get there. Hopefully there's light up there. It's by the lake. These pictures should turn out phenomenal. Definitely excited to see how they turn out. With that being said, we will have a little bit of a mountain run on the way up there. It's a fun drive, honestly, so I'm looking forward to that as well. Got an ST in front of me, RS behind me. We're all going to take pictures. I've got an RS in front of me. Oh, white on an RS looks good. Twisty mountain road, not really a mountain run, but a fun road to drive on. There is construction and it appears, I thought it just ended. Nope. Maybe it ended now. Things you do just to get a shot.
Turn off mine? Oh, do mine turn off?
Leave them off, dude. It looks better. Dude, this one's tripping out.
Yo!
This man needs a new fog light.
Yo, strobe lights, bro. Mine's custom, bro. Look at that thing.
Yeah. These fucking bugs.
Yeah, they just freaking swarmed it.
Time to go.
Oh, do mine turn off?
This man needs a new fog light.
Yo, strobe lights, bro. Mine's custom, bro.
Alright, we're about to get a run in with the RS. Alright, so we got white RS, purple RS, white ST. Beautiful cars. Look how clean this white RS looks. Maxton splitter. Paint on this thing looks so nice. Listen to the cam. Ah, it's fake. Fine. Womp womp womp. Getting kicked out already.
What is that?
What is it, man?
I feel like I was going up to the cops. Jeez.
Yeah, over here, producer. I don't like the look.
Wow. How do you want it?
That's good.
Turn it kind of.
Hey, don't get us kicked out, man.
We just got here.
Yeah.
We're a little
Yeah, boy.